Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix a Bosch dishwasher E3100 drain or pump fault and clear blockage and reset guide. So firstly we will see in fix 1, power reset the dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher, then unplug it from the power outlet or switch off the breaker. Then wait for around 10 to 15 minutes, then turn the power back on and start a wash cycle again. In fix 2 you can check for water leak inside. So open the dishwasher door, then remove the bottom rack. After that, look for water pooled at the base of the dishwasher. Then wipe the water dry using a towel. After that, in fix 3, you can tilt dishwasher to drain water. So firstly turn off power and water supply. Then carefully tilt the dishwasher forward around 30 to 45 degree. Then let any trapped drain water out and place it back and restart the dishwasher. In the fix 4, we will see check door seal and hoses. Inspect the door gasket for damage or dirt, then clean the seal with the damp cloth, then check inlet and drain hose for leak, and then tighten or replace loose damaged hoses. Goodbye.